Have you ever noticed how the most dangerous things in life do not announce themselves? They do not arrive like a loud, destructive storm. They slip in quietly, disguised as a harmless reward after a long, stressful day. A pack of cigarettes, an extra couple of drinks, a quick $20 sports bet, or even just ordering unhealthy takeout for the fourth night in a row because you were too tired to cook. We tell ourselves it is just a little treat. We say it is harmless, but underneath the surface, these daily choices are acting as an invisible tax on your existence. It is a tax that silently drains your bank account, yes, but it is also quietly siphoning away your energy, your physical health, and the quality of your relationships. You wake up feeling heavy, checking your bank balance with a knot in your stomach, wondering where your money and your motivation disappeared to. This is the quiet, devastating cost of self-sabotage. Let me share a story about a man named Ben. Ben was hard-working with big dreams for his family. But life got stressful, and to cope, he leaned on small comforts: beers at night, occasional gambling, and junk food after long days. At first, the costs felt insignificant. Small amounts here and there didn't seem like real money. But over time, those habits quietly grew into a serious financial drain. Worse than the money, Ben began to change. His energy dropped, his sleep worsened, and a constant fog filled his mind. He became distant, often too tired to engage with his family. Every morning he felt the weight of it, but each evening the same cycle repeated. He wasn't reckless, just stuck in a loop he didn't know how to escape. The turning point for Ben didn't come from a dramatic breakdown, but from a quiet realization. One evening, he looked at his bank statements with a different perspective. He understood that the real cost wasn't money, it was his future. His habits were draining his energy, his focus, and his ability to live fully. That truth forced a change. Instead of fixing everything, Ben chose one small step. He stopped drinking on weekdays. That single shift made a difference. He slept better, felt clearer, and regained a small sense of control. It wasn't a complete transformation, but it proved something important. Change was possible, and that small win became the starting point of rebuilding his life. Ben's realization reflects a powerful truth. Repeated actions shape our reality. Small habits may seem insignificant, but over time they create lasting results. This is the law of compounding. Daily choices don't just add up, they multiply. If your habits are built on distraction and neglect, they lead to struggle. But if they are built on discipline and awareness, they can transform your life. When your actions align with your well-being, the same compounding effect begins to work in your favor. You are shaping your future through what you repeatedly do. Your habits are the building blocks of your life. This is why you must look closely at your own life right now. Identify the habits that are quietly draining your finances and damaging your well-being. Approach this with honesty, but also with a positive mindset and gratitude. You have the chance to change, starting today. Believe in your ability to improve and be patient with yourself. Real change does not happen overnight. Here is what you need to do right now. Identify one unhealthy habit that is costing you money and damaging your well-being. Today, replace it with one small positive habit that saves money or improves your health, even if only for 1 hour. You do not need to change everything. Just make one better choice. Drink water instead of soda. Take a short walk instead of scrolling. That small action can begin your transformation. But you must understand the gravity of this moment. If you close your eyes and let these destructive habits remain unchecked, the invisible tax will eventually bankrupt your life. It will slowly and methodically destroy your financial stability. It will ruin your physical health. It will erode your emotional well-being and entirely consume the future opportunities you were meant to have. Do not let your daily habits make you a prisoner in your own story. The power is still in your hands. Today's choices are actively shaping tomorrow's reality. You do not have to be a victim of your impulses for one more second. You can choose discipline. You can choose freedom. Break the cycle, take back your time, and reclaim your resources. You have the strength to change. You have the wisdom to see the truth, and your greatest, most vibrant life is waiting on the other side of your next good decision. Let that journey begin right now. Thank you for listening. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more content to help you build a life of intention and power. And more importantly, go grab that notebook. Your new story starts now.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?